Understanding ceiling lights, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, ceiling lights. Understanding everyday phrases like this is key to improving your English skills. So, let's shed some light on what ceiling lights are and how the term is used in different contexts. Ceiling lights are fixtures attached to the ceiling of a room to provide illumination. Unlike lamps or other types of lighting, ceiling lights are usually fixed in one place and are a common feature in homes, offices, and many other buildings. They come in various styles, shapes, and sizes, and can range from simple, functional designs to elaborate, decorative pieces. There are several types of ceiling lights, each serving a different purpose. 1. Flush mount lights. These are attached directly to the ceiling and are ideal for rooms with low ceilings. 2. Chandeliers. Ornate and decorative, chandeliers are often found in formal spaces like dining rooms. 3. Pendant lights. Hanging from the ceiling by a cord or chain, pendant lights are stylish and can focus light on a specific area. 4. Recessed lights. Installed into an opening in the ceiling, these lights give a sleek, modern look. To help you understand how to use the phrase in everyday English, here are some examples. We installed new ceiling lights in our kitchen for better visibility. The ceiling lights in the hotel lobby were dimmed for the evening event. Can you turn off the ceiling lights? It's too bright in here. Sometimes, ceiling lights can be used metaphorically. For example, her smile lit up the room like bright ceiling lights. In this project, your ideas are the ceiling lights that will guide our path. I hope this video has been illuminating in understanding the phrase, ceiling lights. Remember, learning English is all about exploring and understanding such everyday terms. If you have any questions or need further examples, feel free to ask. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.